So this is your essay 1 revision, pattern 1, class 2nd, subject English. Tick the right option to answer these questions. First one, all the birds came to the magpie to learn how to find twigs or build nest. That is build nest. So second one, these stands on one leg and sleep. Kittens or little birds? That is little birds. How does the trader feel when the camel makes the request for the first time? Willing to help or sad? That is willing to help. Who did all the animals complain to? Bukka's mother or the leader of the elephant herd? Answer, the leader of the elephant herd. These curl up in a heap. Kittens or dogs? That is dogs. Move on to the B part, children. That is write true or tick or cross. Okay. The trader is very kind. Yes, true. The camel feels cold. No, that is wrong. No, camels feel very cold. Yes, this is right. Bukka made friends with small creatures. No, it is wrong. Bukka breaks off branches with nest. Yes, it breaks. Bukka breaks. Mynas have very comfortable nest. Yes, mynas have very comfortable nest. Move on to the unscramble the letters. So here they have given the unscrambled letters. We have to make it proper. So this is teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. And this is policeman. Policeman and nurse, pilot, and the last one is writer. Writer. Match the columns. D part. So big match to large, clean match to tidy, hard match to tough, right match to correct, bright match to shiny. E part, change these nouns from one to many. So book, that is books, desk, adding yes, desks, bench, benches, here we have to add es, brush, brushes, fox, that is foxes. Next, write the rhyming words. Way, away, perch, church, ball, stall, heap, sleep, beds, heads. Next, G part, circle the right options. My brother is a singer. Brother, he or she? That is he. He is popular. I or it like ice cream. I like ice cream. We or he are happy. We are happy. They or he are sisters. They are sisters. Mary, do you, she want to go to the park? That is, do you want to go to the park? Next, pick a word from the box and write opposite to it in meaning. Here they have given some words in the box. We have to take and write down the meanings. Opposites: narrow, broad, heavy, light, short, long, outside, inside, and old, that is new. Next, I part. Complete these sentences with a, an, or the. My uncle gave me a book. There was an orange, and we have to use before the vowel sound, an orange in the basket. Then the sky is blue. I saw a large house on my way. She needs an eraser. Move on to the J part. Answer these questions. First one, what does the speaker compare the star to? So that is answer is the poet compares the star to a diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. So second question, why does the camel put its head inside the tent? So answer is the camel feels cold. Camel feels cold and wants to be warm. Wants to be warm. So it put its head inside the tent. Third question, which was the first bird to fly away? So thrush, T-H-R-U-S-H, thrush was the first bird to fly away. Okay, next, why did all the birds came to magpie? All the birds came to the magpie to learn how to build a nest. Next, fifth one, what do little birds and chickens do while sleeping? So answer is little birds and chickens stand on one leg and tuck their heads as they sleep. So this is your first pattern of essay 1 revision.